Hello, welcome to SavvyVan. Let's take a look at unboxing our new product, SavvyVan Lite. Our product is designed to be minimalistic in design, removing the complicated fitting to streamline your installation. Full installation instructions can be found on our website. The link is in the description below. Included within the box is the screen surround and SavvyVan unit. Our screen is a beautiful 7-inch LED captive HD touch screen. Connecting your appliances couldn't be simpler. This unit comes with 8 configurable switches, located on the rear of the unit. To power the unit, simply connect a 12-volt supply to the wires labeled Power via a 2-amp fuse. We will look at the other connections in our next video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via our social media accounts. We are always happy to help. To keep up to date on our products, please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.